this video about making dumps, sysex dumps with the Korg EMX, load them onto your computer and do the proof and send them back to the EMX and listen if we have a complete backup without changes in the sounds or the patterns. To do this, I loaded a complete clean file for all the patterns in the EMX, and I only filled up the first 3 patterns. And from pattern 4, it's all empty. So then you can do dumps to a computer program like MIDI aux or your DAW or Electron C6. You do that like you go to global mode, you go to shift 12, and then you change it from filter to dump. You press 12 again, and you can choose which pattern bank or all songs or global you want to export. And that worked pretty well yesterday. The only thing was that I wasn't able to transfer them back into the EMX. And that was a disaster. I tried for hours, and in the end I found a way to transfer it back and let EMX receive the sysexdump, but after finishing it, it was not playing any sound anymore, like there was a broken sysex receive or something. So I gave up and I tried something else today. So I show you. It's connected with the computer. And long time ago I bought a software. It's called Direct EMX. Direct EMX is a MIDI plugin for your DAW, specially designed for the Korg EMX. And with this plugin you have total control over all the knobs and sliders. There's a mixer area with the effects. There's the drums. You can do automation of all the knobs and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. Should be the main reason why you should buy it. And then there is something maybe even cooler if it works, and that is in the setup window you have the configuration of your MIDI device where your Korg is connected with. So connect it right, and then here is the dump area. And before I start talking about the dump area and testing it, what this video will be about, I will show you one more thing. There are 2 modes for this plugin. The first mode is the host mode, and the second mode is the direct MIDI mode. If you can, start in direct MIDI mode, because in host mode you cannot use dumps and pattern name is not transmitted. So let's see what else I would add. To go in direct MIDI mode you have to do one thing. To go in direct MIDI mode you have to release the MIDI ports, so disable them in your DAW, so this plugin can use them on its own. So to do that, you go to the options in your DAW, in my case Cocos Reaper. You go to MIDI devices, should be the same in every DAW, and as you can see, the MIDI in and out port is disabled here. Press apply, OK. Then I had a problem where it said EMX is not detected. Again, very long search, couldn't find the thing. Today, by accident, I activated restrict MIDI hardware output to one thread, and suddenly EMX was recognized. So that's about it about the modes. Then there is the dump. So for the dump, you press, for example, receive A, and you see it is receiving pattern bank A. Let's go and have a look here, and you see it is transmitting the bank to my computer. It just connected here over MIDI. Those are going into my MIDI port, MIDI box, and then over USB into the computer again. And what I tried to accomplish was saving my presets into the computer here. That's cool for one thing. For example, if maybe you can see it here, you can do a MIDI dump from the current pattern. So if you use the EMX in a song and you save your current setup here in this plugin, and you load your profile, your song, I mean, your project, it will load all configurations from the EMX, so you don't have to configure anything on it. Total recall. Yeah. Good. So it's almost finished. Now the thing that I did not test till now is if I can send it back. For that we need to clean the EMX patterns, those 3 that I made, so we can hear a difference. Here it's asking me accept pattern bank A dump. Yes. And then it said warning incomplete dump. Now it always says that. I hope it doesn't matter. Now you see my 3 patterns are recognized here. Now let's do what I said. So here I press Shift 13. Then it says card menu load. Yes, certainly. Load all. Yeah, you can also load a pattern, but we do load all. And the last file is a clean file, so all patterns are empty here. If I'm sure, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty fast because they are all empty. So now when I press play, yeah, that's an empty pattern in the EMX. So everything is empty. So now we try to send our file back. I would be very amazed if it works, because it was not possible with any other program. But this is specially designed for it. So let's see. Oh my god, oh my god. There's no percentage there. Let's see what EMX is doing. Oh, it's receiving. It's receiving. That's as far as I got yesterday with Mediox. And then receive stopped. I tried to play patterns and nothing was there. But in this case, I have to believe in it. Come on. It's taking a while. Taking a while. Taking a while. It was not that expensive to buy the plugin. Maybe we can just very fast give it a look on the internet. Oh, there is already a video about it. Direct EMX. That's the manual. There you go. They have one for the ESX also. By now it's 25 euros. I thought it was more expensive. Anyway, 25 euros, maybe it's cheaper nowadays. It's Windows and Mac, and it's strongly advised to test the demo version before buying. And I will also strongly advise you that, because if you send them emails, you will never ever get a response on your questions. At least that is my experience. You can pay with PayPal or credit card. So here it looks complete. And here it's complete also. And I already see that it's working because the names are there at least. And that's... Oh yeah. That's the video for today. Direct EMX, dumping your sysx files to your computer and back